Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when earbuds automatically starts or pause the music. You have to start by open EDIFIER Connect application because we need to update software version for you. So open it, but if you have no information here about update, it means that you have the last software version. So as me, I have no information here, and if you have, you need to update software version. It can fix this problem. And next step, also you can go from the main menu to the settings at the right top, and right here at the first line we have wearing detection. Tap at this line and you need to disable this mode, because now if you listen to music and remove your earbuds from your ears, earbuds automatically pause the music and then it resume audio when you put your earbuds to your ears. So maybe this is your problem and we can disable it right here in the application. Now, if it also didn't help you, next step I recommend to firstly reopen audio player. So let's say you listen to music in Apple Music or Spotify or your browser. You need to firstly remove this application from the cache and then open it again. And also I recommend to check if you have the last version of this application. So go to the App Store or Google Play and check it and update if you haven't the latest version. If these methods didn't help you, I recommend to perform a factory reset. And on these earbuds it's pretty simple. All you need to do is just put your earbuds to the charging case, but do not close the case. Open the lid, and on the right side we have connectional button, and you need to press 3 times this button, and then the LED light on the front side start blinking orange. 1, 2, 3. Here we go, and now we need to remove these earbuds from your phone. So open Settings and then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds, and then forget this device and forget device. After that, if you have Android, click Pair New Device at the top, and if you have iOS, you can or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth or just go back and return to the Bluetooth. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so we don't need to use connectional button, we just tap at these earbuds at the device list. And that's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!